Good morning, students. Today again, I am going to explain about the small business, and today we will discuss about the role of small business in socio-economical development of India. Because, as I told you earlier, small business is not only helpful for the country, but it also helpful for the society and the people those are living in a particular society. So small business plays an important role, and yesterday I told you about the definition of a small business, and again I am recalling the definition. A small business is a type of business which can be started by the people after investing rupees 5 lakh to 5 crore. That's mean if a person is ready to invest rupees 5 lakh, then it comes under the tiny industries, which also comes under the small business. And if a person is going to invest rupees 5 crore, then also it will come under the small business. So that is why we can say the small business is classified on the basis of level of investment. Small business can be defined on the basis of technology upgradation. Small business can be defined on the basis of level of output also. So these three criteria are there, or on the behalf of these criteria we can define the term small business. And small business is very helpful for the development of the country. As I told you earlier, many financial institutions and commercial banks are established by the Indian government to create the development of small business industries in our country. Like Grameen banks are present in rural areas. Like ICICI Bank is also helping the small scale businessmen. IDBI Bank is also helps the businessmen to start their small scale units in the rural areas. So there are several benefits are given by the government to start up the small scale business and to boost up the small scale business in our economy. And small business is very helpful for the infrastructural development of the rural areas of our country. As we know that about 40 to 50% people are still living in the villages, and the development of village is very essential for the development of the country. That is why the government is also taking precautions for the development of a small business in the rural areas, and this is the role of small business in the development of economical and social areas of the country. And we have to discuss about these points in this session. So the first one is employment. As I told you earlier, government is creating the self-sufficiency or self-employment for the people those are living in the villages. They are providing the monetary support to start their own business, to get their livelihood by selling out the product produced by them. And this benefit is very essential because the government is providing the facilities to start up their own venture to create the employment opportunities for the others. Like Khadi and Village Corporation is there, like pisciculture, sericulture, fisheries, pottery farms, and many other types of business activities can be started by the people under the small scale business. And nowadays the people are getting a lot of benefits by using this type of business. The another one is, so again I am telling you the employment, near about 20% of people are getting the employment opportunities under the small business in our country. That is why it is a very important source which is creating a lot of employment. And nowadays government of India is also providing financial support to start their own venture. It is available in the villages and also in the urban areas. Now another one is variety of product. Nowadays a small business is producing variety of product for the customer, and the prices of the product are also reasonable and also within the reach of the customer. That is why the variety of products, like in a small business the people are producing shoes, belts, bags and clothes also. So these are the variety of product which can be produced by the people with the help of a small business. And also it is very fruitful for the people to get profit as well as to get employment opportunities from them. That is why the small business plays an important role for the development of the country and to create the availability of different variety of products in the economy. Nowadays, the many of people are using the small scale business and producing the variety of product to satisfy the need of the people. Not only those are living in the villages, but for the people those are living in the urban and semi-urban areas also. The another one is export. As I told you in the previous chapter, small business also promote the EXIM policy, export-import policy of our country. If small scale business is not only producing the product for the satisfaction of the customer, but also they are providing the raw material to the MNCs, many other multinational companies, and small scale business is working as a backbone for them because they are providing the raw material, they are providing the other resources which is required by the MNCs to start up their business and to run their business smoothly in the economy. That is why with the help of small business, the export rate is also increasing in our country. As I told you that if more export take place, then more chances of development can be done. If more import take place, then less development will take place because foreign exchange can be transferred from our country to another country. The another one is balanced regional development. That's mean the equitable distribution of equity should take place in the country. Every place should get the equal opportunities to be developed. If one place is getting more opportunities of development and another country is not getting the opportunities of another place is not getting the opportunities of development, then ultimately the disbalance will take place. That is why the Indian government promoted the small business in the rural and backward areas, and these small scale business create the infrastructural development of that particular area which seems to be unemployed, seems to be undeveloped. That is why the regional balance development can be done with the help of small business. As we see in the villages that before starting the small scale business, the condition was very rough, but after introducing the small scale businesses there, the condition will be improved. So that is why the regional development can be done. The another one is complementary to large scale. As I told you, small scale businessmen, small scale industries are also always providing the raw material and other facilities to the large scale companies. Like we can take the example of sugar mill. Sugar mills are getting the sugar cane from the small scale businessmen, and many multinational companies like Britannia is getting wheat from the local farmers of the city. So ultimately we can say the small scale business work as a complementary for the large scale organization because they are providing the raw material, they are providing the manpower to the large scale companies. Those are willing to run their business, those are willing to start their business in that particular area. The another one is low cost of production. So low cost of production can be done in the case of small business because generally these companies are using the labor intensive technique, and that is why the cost of production is very less, in which they do not use the highly sophisticated technology. They are using the simple way to produce the product for the large scale and for the customer. That is why the cost of production will be generally low, and it is a medium which helps in satisfying the need of many people in our country. That is why it is a very important method in which the cost of production will be less. The another one is quick and timely decision. In this type of organization, in a small scale organization, quick decisions can be done because only one owner of the firm will be present and he can take the quick decisions to produce the product, produce the raw material for the large scale organization, and whatever decision is made, the customer has to the company and the members of the company has to be accept and perform the operational activities in a quick manner in the organization. The another one is development of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship means that each and every person who has the skills and who want to start their business can start, because nowadays government is promoting the entrepreneurship in our country by providing the financial assistance. And if a person is willing, if a person have the knowledge and skills related to any of business, he get the financial support from the government. And a small business also create the development of entrepreneurship, because with the help of a small business, many people got the chances to start their business and to get maximum earning from the economy. So students, it is all about the small business and its role. You just look at the board and take the screenshot of it. Okay. You just look at the green board properly. If you have any problem, you may ask on my personal number. You can watch the video again and again to get it properly. Okay, students, it's enough for today. Have a nice day.